I have horrible news. Dragons. They seem to be invading my home, and I just don't know why. Wait a minute. They're gathering around my dice tower. Maybe I'll just have to give it away. Are you or a loved one in the market for a brand new dice tower? Are you subscribed to my channel, and or would you like to be? Well, then it's your lucky day, because I'm giving away my round dice tower. Yes, the same dice tower I made in that video you see on the screen before you. As it turns out, I'm just too darn impatient for dice towers. I like to roll my dice quickly. However, I realize other people really like dice towers, so I figured they could use it since I'm not going to, and I'm going to set up a Gleam.io giveaway for anybody who would like to enter. I will have all the different entry methods possible on it, and you can check that in the description down below in this video. One of the main requirements is you gotta be subscribed to the channel to enter. And just as a personal request, please live in the US. It makes shipping this a lot easier. But if you win, I'm gonna ship it right off to you, and I'm not gonna know if you enter the contest unless you go to the Gleam.io link down below. So this will be completely free. I'll ship it right to you, and I hope that somebody who's been wanting one of these for a while gets it. And if we get to 2,000 subscribers before the giveaway is actually supposed to be done, I'll stop the giveaway early. That way you got a better chance of winning. But really, mostly, I want to say thank you guys for being awesome. So thank you for the positivity that I see in my videos.